semiconductor manufacturing, precision and reliability are the lifelines of production. Just like the mobile phones we use every day, their chips are produced using this very device. However, with long-term use of traditional slip rings, cables are prone to break and dust, and impurities tend to accumulate. Therefore, JINPAT has developed the LPPL slip ring, designed specifically for semiconductor equipment. It possesses numerous features: compact integration featuring miniaturized. Secondly, it possesses excellent electrical properties. Third, it can transmit various types of signals. Finally, it features a high protection rating and a long service life. Having witnessed the precise technical demonstrations, let us now take a close look at the product's physical manifestation. Beneath this minimalist exterior lies JINPAT's unwavering pursuit of industrial aesthetics and precision manufacturing. Every detail is refined to ensure durability and stability under the semiconductor production line's high-intensity operations. Finally, here is the installation. Thanks for watching. JINPAT, driving precision rotation. Contact us for your custom solution today.